Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Oura Ring Gen 4. So this is the new Oura Ring Gen 4, and it's basically a ring that allows you to track your heart rate, your sleep schedules, your sleep cycles, and all of that other stuff. So now let's get to unboxing. This is the Black/Noir color. Now we open up this little box, we slide it out, and this is another box that we're going to open up now. And on the back we have this little greeting, and here is our ring with the charging stand. So this is what the ring looks like. This is the Black Noir version, and there are also many other versions that you can purchase. And this is what the charger looks like. So the charger is going to be the same size as the ring, so you can't really use another charger on a different size ring. So this is a size 12 and the ring is also size 12. The charger looks pretty nice compared to other rings where it's just like this closing case where you can just close the cap on it. I feel like this is a better option. So like you can just pop it on like this and just leave it, so you don't need to close anything. Okay, now let's put that away for now. Let's proceed further, and here we have a charger. So this is what the charger looks like. It's this rubbery charger, gray color, USB-C to USB-C. And then we got the manual inside. This is the manual, stuff you should know, brochure information. You have the app, how to start charging it, pairing to your phone, and just other stuff that you should probably know. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.